Hello to everyone. I'm back. I'm Patrick. Uh, this evening, we are going to share how to manipulate AI using webcam. So let's start. Here, you click to aistudio.google.com and then you prompt here. You click here to stream. You start here for webcam. You ask here what I want to tell you here. It is you want to use webcam. You have to share the screen. You have to prompt using the voice. So etc. So here let's click on webcam. You see it found me. Good. Now like this.
Okay, I'm listening. You sound like you have something to share.
Hello,
I
hello
see.
AI.
You're showing me a shirt. It looks like a gray button down shirt.
No, hello AI. I want to ask you.
Yes. Hello there. How can I help you?
So what I want is this. I would like just to train the ones who need to manipulate AI. How do you advise us?
That's a great idea. To train people to effectively manipulate AI, I'd suggest focusing on key skills. Firstly, they need to understand the fundamentals of AI and its capabilities. Secondly, training on data management and the importance of quality data for AI systems is crucial. Thirdly, they should learn about AI ethics and the responsible use of these technologies. And finally, practical experience with AI tools and platforms is essential for real-world application.
Okay, good. So we want you to give us an example on how you can prompt. For example, you are a psychologist. You want to know more about the principle of the psychologist. What can you prompt for us about the psychologist principles? Maybe here there is something went wrong. So, hello AI. I want you to prompt some principles of medicine doctor. Something went wrong. Here something went wrong. That's why we have to continue to the other prompt using. You can also turn back here. This is also a welcome AI studio. So you can prompt using the text. So we want to know the principles of medical doctors. Then you click learn. See how it prompts. So these are the principles of the doctors are rooted in a long story and are often codified in oath and codes of ethics. One, beneficial beneficence. Second, non-maleficence. The third, autonomy. The fourth, justice. The fourth, five, confidentiality. Sixth, professionalism. Seventh, societal responsibility. Eighth, truthfulness and honesty. So this is how AI can prompt you what you need. So for example, you can ask AI had tongue twisted. You click this, you click learn. You can see what its prompt for us. You see here there is what's the third one is the classic. You can read. She sells searches by the season sure. The shares she sells are surely sees her shares. So if she sells shares on the sister shore, then I'm sure she sells sister shore's shares. So the second for speed and repetitions. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A picker of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter picked a peck of pickled peppers, where there is the peck of pickled peppers, Peter Piper pickle. Bite more challenging with the repeated sounds. So the third one, how much would a wooden chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck as much wood as woodchuck would chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. The 444, it's focusing on sound. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. So the five advanced long and tricky. Hike Nick six slick blicks with picks and sticks. So tips for this practice, tongue twisted. So they explain what you have to do to learn what about these tongue twisted. So for you, you can prompt whatever you need. For me, I use just to prompt all of these three subjects: harder twists, um the principle of medical, and how to manipulate the AI using webcam. So thank you very much. I'm Patrick, AI Master. So you have to follow me to learn a lot through Gemini Live. Thank you very much.